Yeah, hello guys. You have less than 24 hours to claim your NFT. So Match Chain has actually partnered with PSG Football Club, and then there are special NFTs that's available for you to mint on your Telegram mini app. So you have less than 24 hours. So it was actually for 48 hours, but right now you have less than 24 hours to claim. So if you've not yet claimed, make sure you do that. So I tried doing mine earlier, but it didn't go through. That was a day ago. That was last night. So right now I want to try again to actually see if it's going to mint for me. So I think it was because of the traffic. So very quickly, let me open my Telegram, and then let's start farming. All right, so that's what actually comes up for you first. So uh, just click on mint your NFT. Mint your NFT. So that is what you are here for. Click on mint your NFT. All right, so it shows claim now. Claim now. So let's tap on claim now and let's see what we're going to get. All right, same, exactly the same thing is showing for me. Let me click again. It's not coming up. So I think what I can do right now is to actually put on my VPN, and let's see if you are going to get it done once and for all. So I'm going to put on my VPN right now. All right, so my VPN is on right now and I'm connected to Germany. So I'm going to use that to actually run this transaction again. So let's go back to Telegram and now click here to actually refresh. Click there and then you see reload page. So click on reload page. So click on that and reload the page. So now you can see now it's bringing it properly for me now. So it's asking that I connect wallet. So let me connect the wallet, my BitJet wallet. That is what I actually used already. So just in case you encounter such things like that, just put on uh, your VPN and you get to see. All right, so you can actually check and approve. All right, so let's go back to where we're coming from. All right, now let's click on claim now. So you can see perfectly. So just make sure you use VPN to do this. So you get, so let me confirm and then authorize, confirm again, authenticate. It's showing me transaction failed. Okay, let me click OK and let me go back to where I was coming from. So it's showing claimed here already. So possibly it would show by itself, so you don't need to bother. So you can just try to refresh the page. So it should show itself in your wallet. So you can try claim now again and let's see. So we have already claimed. I think that is why it's not actually showing again for us. So you can just click here to check your transactions to see whether you actually received something. So we've not received anything yet. So let's just click on refresh again and let's see if it's going to come around again. So it's showing claimed already. So just don't bother yourself once you've actually confirmed the transaction. So don't be bothered. I think you're done already. So actually I'm on Twitter to actually see this. So if yours is actually showing something like this, so possibly number one, that was not the wallets that you actually connected to your match chain, and secondly, you didn't carry out the transaction of bridging BNB to BNB match chain. So you bridge BNB from Binance match chain to BNB on the match chain network. So possibly that might be what disqualified your wallet. So but I don't know right now. Do you get it? So but I think if the activity is still there, you can still get to do it. You can check my channel for the video on how to bridge, on how to run the transaction. Just search for match chain on my channel. You'll be able to see the videos I've made on match chain. Do you get? So all right guys, I think I will have to end this video here. So if you actually enjoyed this video, kindly like the video, drop your comments, give us your suggestions, and also share with your friends and colleagues. And finally, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Please and please ensure that you subscribe to this channel. Until next time, this is FinTech Space with Team Bees. Bye for now. Do have a great day.